Marlow Yachts is renowned for its superior craftsmanship, advanced technology, and luxurious designs. But what about their longest yachts? Today, we take a deep dive into the longest Marlow yachts ever built, breaking down every detail from their dimensions, features, performance, and interior luxury. Stay tuned for the ultimate Marlow experience. Founded by David Marlow, Marlow Yachts has been at the forefront of yacht innovation for decades. Their semi-custom yachts range from 49 feet to over 100 feet, offering long-range cruising capabilities with unparalleled comfort. Built using advanced composite materials, these yachts are lighter, stronger, and more fuel-efficient than traditional designs. Marlow 100E Explorer is the longest Marlow yacht ever built, measuring 100 feet in length with a beam of 21 feet 6 inches. It has a fuel capacity of over 6,000 gallons and a range of more than 4,000 nautical miles. Powered by twin Caterpillar C32 engines producing up to 1,900 HP each, this yacht can reach a top speed of 22 plus knots.
The Marlow 100E offers an ultra-luxurious interior, including a full-beam master suite, VIP guest cabins, and a spacious crew quarter.
Its advanced navigation system features state-of-the-art Garmin and Furuno electronics. With eco-friendly engineering, the Velocijet strut keel ensures maximum fuel efficiency. The yacht also features an expansive flybridge with a wet bar, sun loungers, and an optional jacuzzi. A dedicated garage for tenders, jet skis, and diving equipment makes it perfect for adventure seekers.
The Marlow 97E Explorer is another exceptional model, measuring 97 feet in length with a beam of 21 feet.
It has a fuel capacity of 5,500 plus gallons, allowing a range of 3,800 plus nautical miles and a top speed of 21 knots. The yacht's elegant saloon boasts teak wood finishing, custom furniture, and panoramic ocean views. The entertainment hub includes a state-of-the-art surround sound system and 4K entertainment setup. The master suite is designed with a king-size bed, walk-in closet, and a spa-like bathroom. Outdoor features include a large aft deck for alfresco dining and a massive flybridge for ultimate relaxation. The Marlow 88E offers a perfect balance of size and luxury, with a length of 88 feet and a beam of 20 feet. It holds a fuel capacity of 4,500 gallons, providing a range of 3,500 nautical miles with a top speed of 20 knots. This model features a spacious flybridge with an outdoor grill, bar, and large seating area. Multiple guest suites accommodate up to 10 guests in luxurious staterooms. A well-designed crew quarter ensures professional service on board. The yacht's unibody construction enhances durability and stability. Marlow yachts stand out due to their cutting-edge technology and craftsmanship. The advanced hull design, known as the Velocijet strut keel, reduces drag, improves speed, and increases fuel efficiency while providing unmatched stability in rough seas. Marlow's composite construction uses Kevlar, carbon fiber, and high-tech resins, making the yachts 20 to 30% lighter than traditional fiberglass vessels. Their fuel efficiency allows some models to travel over 4,000 nautical miles on a single tank, making them ideal for ocean crossings and extended voyages. Owning one of Marlow's longest yachts means experiencing world-class craftsmanship, long-range exploration, and unparalleled luxury. Each yacht is semi-custom, built to the highest standards with handcrafted interiors, high-end finishes, and the latest technology. Marlow yachts are also known for their strong resale value, making them a great investment in the luxury yacht market. Marlow Yachts continues to push the boundaries of yacht design, offering some of the longest, most advanced, and most luxurious yachts in their category. Whether you're looking for a world cruising explorer or a high-end coastal cruiser, Marlow has something for you. Which of these Marlow yachts is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible yacht content. See you in the next video.